Hello and welcome to this video on different types of filters in Excel from your learning partner Learn Now. Filters are a powerful tool that help us sort through large sets of data, and in this video, we'll take a look at various filter options that are available. The first type of filter is text filters. In text filter we will look for exact match filter. The exact match filter allows you to filter data based on an exact match of the text string you enter. For example, if you have a list of customer names and you only want to see customers whose name is John, you can write John in the search option to show only the records for John. This filter is very useful when you have a large dataset and you want to find a specific record quickly. Contains filter. The contains filter allows you to filter data based on whether a cell contains a specific text string. For example, if you have a list of product names and you only want to see products that contain the word share, you can use the contains filter to show only those records. Starts with and ends with filter. The starts with and ends with filters are self-explanatory. The starts with filter allows you to filter data based on whether a cell starts with a specific text string, while the ends with filter allows you to filter data based on whether a cell ends with a specific text string. For example, if you have a list of email addresses and you only want to see email addresses that end with @gmail.com, you can use the ends with filter to show only those records. Number filters. Greater than and less than filter. The greater than and less than filters allow you to filter data based on whether a cell value is greater than or less than a specific number. For example, if you have a list of sales numbers and you only want to see sales numbers that are greater than 1000, you can use the greater than filter to show only those records. Between filter. The between filter allows you to filter data based on whether a cell value is between two specific numbers. For example, if you have a list of ages and you only want to see ages between 18 and 25, you can use the between filter to show only those records. Top filter. The top filters allow you to filter data based on the highest or lowest values in a set. For example, if you have a list of sales numbers and you only want to see the top 10 sales numbers, you can use the top filter to show only those records. Filters are a powerful tool that can help you quickly sort through large sets of data. We had covered the different types of filter. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.